Hello everyone, we have bought a new home. To know more about interior designs, you can watch this video. This is a name board for our new home. Then, grill gate is with floral design, and then we have kept the entrance light with Lord Ganesha, where we can get 3 different colors. So let us enter into our home. So this is our living room, where we have a partition to separate the living room as well as the dining area. So when coming to our living room, we have a common concept of wooden based theme here. So in this side, we have used somewhat brown color, creamy color, and then here purely it is of wooden based color. So we have chosen the left side with wooden based color, and then this is a puja unit. We have 3 compartments here, and then with the padel tray, and then we have drawer for storing the items, and then we have down area to keep big photo frames here. And then this is the showcase area, where we have mirror at the back side. And then our TV unit is made up of bevel mirror, and then we have base unit also. And then coming to the fall ceiling, we have floral design here also, and to match with this, we have chosen the wallpaper also in the floral design. Our fall ceiling is with warm light, and then whole light is also warm light color, and then we have chosen our strip light with RGB color, and then we have different lights here. This is the spotlight we have chosen, and then this is the down light. So here we have chosen 3 different colors which can be controlled through the switch, as well as it can be controlled through the mobile app also, as well as remote. So 3 different colors like warm white, and then neutral, and then cool color. So 3 different colors we can get, which can be controlled through switch, as well as remote, as well as mobile app. And then according to the light also. So this is also again a smart light. So we have chosen a fan also as a smart fan, so which can be again controlled to the remote also. And then let us enter into the kitchen unit. We have chosen all our rooms with solid colors. So we have chosen here the mango yellow with dark grey color. So this is the unit which has been provided to keep the microwave oven. And then we have designed our kitchen such that all the type of shutters are there. So particularly if we see this shutter, it is aluminum shutter, aluminum frame shutter, and then this is again a normal shutter where we have used spotlight also. And then this is the lift up unit. So we have 2 lift up unit here, which is a transparent one. And again we have provided a normal shutter here, and then we have used the corner area properly. So this is the corner shelf which we have provided, so that we can keep our items properly. And apart from the closed unit, we have provided some open unit also for easy access. So this is the open spice rack unit, and then this is the open shelf which we have provided. And then actually the place for chimney is, we have to keep our hob here. Actually that is the plan given by the builder, but we have shifted our hob direction itself here. Why? Because we have to provide a chimney in a proper direction. Why? Because when we see here, so this is the chimney pipe we are using here. So to reduce the length space of your chimney pipe, we have accommodated the chimney itself in the another direction. And then this is the RO unit, and then we have provided some corner shelf also, and then this is for small towel hanger. And then coming to the utility area, we have used it properly. Instead of providing a small unit here, we have split it into 2 racks, which is of WPC board, so which is a water resistant one. And then we have drainer unit also here, and then we have small hose here, right? So we have provided small hose here, so that whatever the water drops it is coming, it will be there in the drainer, so we can remove it and then we can pour it outside. And then again coming to the utility area, we have accommodated the space properly, so we can keep all the different storage items here also. And then to put used clothes here, we have provided the drawer here. Why? Because again in this utility area we are going to keep a washing machine here. Again, this is again a different idea. So where we have this drop down unit, again to put used clothes, as a partition we have kept here. And apart from that, we can use the top unit also to store some items. And then coming to this area, actually we have decided to keep tall unit, but we have to accommodate grinder also here. So we have splitted this area into 2 things, base unit and top unit. So we are going to keep a grinder here, and also we have provided a spotlight here. Why? Because when cutting the vegetable, we can use this space properly to cut vegetables. And then again in a different way here, again we have provided a lift up unit, and then this is a normal shutter with transparent frame. And then coming to the base unit, we have provided 3 different wicker basket, small, medium and big. So apart from that, we have provided again one more drawer unit to keep big bags. Particularly we are going to keep rice bags here. And then coming to the bottom area of this sink, we have provided the dustbin holder. And then since we are going to keep a hob here, right, so more accessories whatever we are going to use regularly, that we are going to keep here. So this is the cutlery tray, and then this is the bowl tray where we have a soft close type of drawer, and then this is the plate tray. And then we have oil pull out unit, so we can accommodate different size. So when we see here, we can keep some 300 ml bottle, and then here 1 to 1.5 liter bottle we can keep here. And then this is the area provided to keep gas cylinder. This is a corner unit where we can keep big utensils, and also we can access up to the end also. And then here also again a storage shelf. So to keep another gas cylinder, we have provided this space. And then this is tandem box unit where we can keep big utensils. This is another tandem box to keep big utensils. And then coming to the left, to keep rarely used items, we have provided left space also in U shape. So with this, kitchen unit is over. So let us move on to the master bedroom. So I like the color of the master bedroom more. So we have chosen turquoise blue and then parrot green. Actually, we don't think that this much output will be coming like that. We didn't thought all those things while selecting the color, but it comes good. And we have a sleek handle here. So we have wardrobes with cloth hanger, and then cactus is removable one, so that we can remove it and keep it downside also. And we have provided the drawer unit here to keep some valuable things. And then this is again a one more wardrobe. So where we have provided the big space here. So to utilize the cloth hanger properly. And again, this is also again a removable one. So we have provided in all the wardrobes such that the cactus can be removed properly and we can utilize this space according to our view. So this unit is provided to keep the bureau. So actually my bureau size is big size, which is of 4 feet depth. So this is bigger one. And then also we have provided the loft also. And apart from that, actually for my purpose, we have provided the dressing table also. So we can keep the regular things, makeup items. And then this is a different idea. So we have split this area into one open shelf and then close the shelf. So particularly if we are going to use laptops and all, so we have to find some space to keep our laptop bag. So this is the unit which we are providing to keep our laptop bags as well as handbags. And then small things like umbrellas also we can keep. When coming to false ceiling, we have provided a L-shaped false ceiling, and also look this stand how it looks. It is actually a hand painting where we have vibrant colors to match our wardrobe. Again, this is a smart fan. We can access using the remote also. And then according to our mood, we can use different colors also. So we have provided the downlight with RGB colors. So we have different colors which can be again controlled by switch. And we can control through mobile app also. While controlling through mobile apps, we can get nearly 16 million colors. So through switch we can get few colors, and then through mobile app we can get 16 million colors also. Let us move on to the kids' bedroom. So usually the colors which they prefer to use in kids bedroom, if suppose if it is a girl baby, they will be using the pink color. Boy means they'll be using the blue color, but here we have chosen different colors, red, orange, yellow and then green. So different vibrant colors we have used to make this room in a bright way. So why? Because childhood is a phase where they used to have more funs, they used to know more colors. So all these things we have kept in the mind. And then again this is also a smart fan. Here also we have chosen the fan also in the 3 different colors according to match with the wardrobe. We have chosen the color of the fan. And then coming to the false ceiling, this is the Mickey Mouse concept, and where we have RGB glow light, and then again we have so downlight is with RGB colors, and then we have profile light here which is of warm white to enhance the look, and all the lights in kids room are controlled by switch, and we can control it through remote as well as mobile app. And since it is a kids room, we have provided study table, and here we have chosen 3 different colors for the drawer also, which is movable one, so we can keep wherever it is required. And then in the study table we have provided the wire manager here, so that we can use this socket provided below. And then we can fold the study table also. So easily we can fold the study table if it is not in use. And then actually this is a good view in kids bedroom. So we have chosen the direction like this to get good breeze, and then light also. We have chosen this direction to keep our study table. And again, as usual, as I said, this is also a foldable one, right? So it is easy to use. And then we have provided bookshelves, so big bookshelves, which is useful for me also and for my kid also. And then again here also we have provided a bookshelf. And then apart from studies, we have to provide some extracurricular activities also for the kids, right? So keeping that in the mind, this is again a unique design we have made for our kid. We have drawer provided, which is a long drawer to keep again. So since he is a child, he can use all the toys here. So when he grows, then he can use all the sports items here. Big bats, balls, basketball, whatever he wants, he can accommodate here. So it is simple to use it. And then this is again a wardrobe with groove design. Again here also we have provided a cloth hanger, and then each and every carcass is removable one. So whenever we want, we can remove it and we can place in the base area. And we have lamp unit also, so to keep our rare usage items. And then so this is the place where we are going to keep the ancestor photo. So we have provided light provision also here, and we have a common wash basin here, and we have 2 holders here. One is your detergent holder and another one is a dustbin holder. Then we have provided lift up unit also here for storing some items. And then this is the small towel hanger. And then coming to here, this light is tiltable one, so you can use it in different direction. And then we have used here the shutter unit, so rolling shutter, so the different thing to accommodate our storage items in bathroom. can use small clothes also here. We can hang it here. So how it looks when we have different lights in our room, you can see it. And then coming to the crockery unit, we have granite top and then base unit to store crockery items, and then wall unit where we have wooden frames with transparent glass here to store again the crockery items. And then coming to the next bedroom, so here in a different way we have provided the TV unit. We are going to fix our TV here, then just a small rod to accommodate few things. And then again, when seeing this color itself, actually the master bedroom where I am going to be there with my husband as well as my son. So the color what I have chosen is, again, it should be happy with both the members, right? So both the gender has to be satisfied with the color. So here full and full I have chosen according to the girls' theme. So pink and then green we have chosen. And again, so this is a small workstation we have provided. Why? Because again we have a window here. So again, to get good breeze and proper light, we have provided a small workstation. Again, drawer unit, and then all the electronics items we can store here. And then coming to the fall ceiling, again we have a simple fall ceiling. Here also we have again 3 different colors. So when you see here, we are getting 3 different colors here: warm, neutral, and then cool light. According to our mood, we can choose different colors of your light. I hope you like our interior design. So please like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you have any comments, you can post it. We are happy to answer it. So thank you.